Hello everyone. This video will walk you through a few simple ways to fix unable to connect to login servers in Aion 2. First, if you're using a ping reducer like exit lag, open the software and find the game in the list. Click on the game entry, then open the connection settings. Make sure the option to redirect login traffic is enabled. After that, run the optimize or analyze process and wait for it to finish. Once it is done, apply the routes and then start the game directly from the software. In many cases, the connection will be detected automatically and the error will be gone. If the error still shows up, close the game completely and move on to the next method. Right-click the Start button on Windows and open Command Prompt, PowerShell, or Terminal as administrator. You will now run a few commands one by one. Type ipconfig/release and press Enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. After that, type ipconfig/renew and press Enter and wait until it finishes. Next, type netshint ip reset and press Enter. Then netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Once all commands are done, close the window. Now adjust your DNS settings. Go to the Start menu and type Network Connections. Click on View Network Connections. Find your main network adapter, either Ethernet or Wi-Fi, right-click it, and choose Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Select the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate DNS. Click OK and close all windows. After this, restart your computer to make sure all changes apply properly. Launch the game again and try to connect to the server. If the problem still does not go away, you can temporarily disable Windows Firewall to test. Open Settings, go to Security Options, find Windows Security, and go to Firewall and Network Protection and turn it off for a moment. Restart your PC and try the game again. If it works, remember to turn the firewall back on afterward. This should resolve the login server connection error in most cases. Thanks for watching.